Welcome back, you gorgeous and beautiful people from the internet. My name is Manzi Crypto, and today we're going to continue on with our beautiful series over here, Chainz Arena MOBOX Edition. So they just released artifacts. If you guys don't know what that is, this is the open spot that is left over here in the bottom right corner just below your boots. This is the equipment that you can put on your character. If you click on that, you can see the artifacts that you do have. If you don't have any artifacts, that means you haven't done as many Euro trials. So you only acquire them through Euro trials and the market. So you can also go on the market and should be able to purchase that. Let's have a look over here. If I go to exchange, items market, over here you should be able to select artifacts, which you can see over here, which you can purchase as well. However, they should be overpriced at the moment because there's only a handful of people that have acquired anything at the moment. And you can see over here, it increases the critical strike and attack percentage. And also, if you're putting it on a water element character, it will also take 4% less damage. So these things are extremely strong. The further you get in Euro trials, the better chance of you getting a epic, which is these ones right here, or legendary, which will be a red one. However, you can also upgrade them if they are epic or legendary. So you will just have to pay gold. So to upgrade it should be like this is how it worked in the previous version, at least. It should be gold in the one hand and artifacts on the other hand. So you breaking artifacts down to upgrade one. However, you can't upgrade blue ones. You should be only be able. Oh, you can enhance it. So you can see over here, if I put in these guys right here, you get 60 out of 180. Once you get this bar full, and you pay 3,000 gold, you can actually upgrade it. So instead of having 1.5% repel, I'll have 1.8. Instead of having 1.5% HP, it will be 1.8. So it's small boost, but it is at least another way to use gold because we have an over access of gold at the moment. But over time, we're going to also collect a lot of artifacts, you know, if you keep on doing your hero trials every single day. So this is just a small tutorial on how to play with artifacts and how to use it. Also, the one thing you could do is click on it and it will show repel is return damage pretty much. If my character takes damage, it will return that exact damage back to it, and it's 1.5%. So if it takes 100 damage, it will return 1.5 damage back to the person. If that makes any sense to you. Also, my character will have 1.5% more HP. That is pretty much just the gist of it. If you guys have any questions about artifacts, please let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely cover that for you guys and help you guys out. But this is a video of the day, just some artifacts. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Love you guys. Take care. And as always, remember to twist some nips. Take care. Bye-bye.